Are you looking for a simple but potent herbal spray to nourish your hair and stimulate healthy hair growth without spending a fortune? Then watch this video to the end, because today I will show you how to make a powerful DIY leave-in spray using just 5 natural ingredients. Each one brings unique benefits for your scalp and hair. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite herbal leave-in sprays with the ingredients that are easy to find, affordable, and packed with natural plant compounds that can help keep your scalp healthy and your hair looking its best. The first ingredient I'm going to be working with is green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, along with small amounts of natural caffeine. These antioxidants help protect the scalp from oxidative stress, while the caffeine has been studied for its potential to support healthy hair follicles. Green tea is also known for its soothing properties, making it a popular ingredient in scalp care. When used regularly as part of healthy hair care routine, it can help keep the hair in good condition and support healthier looking hair. So for green tea, I'll make use of 2 bags of green tea. Okay, so I'm making about 500 ml of spray. So guys, the second ingredient I'll be using is black tea. Black tea contains antioxidants and natural caffeine. It can leave the scalp feeling refreshed and is often used in hair care to help improve the appearance of the hair while adding shine to it. Many people also like using black tea because it can reduce excessive shedding and help to stimulate hair growth. So for black tea, I'll make use of 2 bags as well. So guys, the next ingredient I'll be using is clove. The benefit of clove to hair growth and general body health cannot be overemphasized. I know you have heard a lot about cloves, but possibly have not tried it on your hair, and I ask you why. Please let me know your reasons in the comment section so we can talk about it. The use of these amazing herbs has really changed my hair for good. So I want to encourage you to start now and enjoy the benefits too. So for clove, I'll make use of a ½ tablespoon. So cloves are rich in antioxidants and have a warm, pleasant aroma. They are widely used in natural hair care to help keep the scalp feeling fresh and comfortable for a healthy hair growth. Do you hear that? And then we'll move over to the next ingredient, which is hibiscus. Hibiscus is an antioxidant and natural plant compound that helps soften and condition the hair, improves manageability and adds natural shine, and also supports a healthy scalp environment. So for that, I'll make use of about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to pour it into a separate bowl for the next process. My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. Now, the last but not the least ingredient I'll be using is onion peel. Many people throw onion peel away, but they contain antioxidants such as quercetin. Onion peel is popular in DIY hair care because it may help support a healthy scalp and protect hair from everyday environmental stress. It also adds beneficial plant compound to this herbal spray. So I'll go ahead and wash my onion peel and hibiscus very well. Make sure you're washing it thoroughly so that it will be very clean and void of dirt. So I'm going to combine them into my pot, and I'm going to cook this on a very low heat for about 20 minutes. So after I'm done cooking this for about 20 minutes, I'm going to leave it to cool down completely. In fact, I will leave it for 2 hours. I will leave it for 2 hours to cool down very well. and infuse properly.
On a trip, on a boat, on a lake, I'm tired of feeling.
So for the cooking part, I'll be adding 3 cups of water. So guys, I want you to consider your head like that's your small vegetable garden that requires water and nutrients to survive, but without the nutrients inside the soil also, it will not do well. So I bring to you an important secret most people overlook. As long as hair growth is concerned, many people depend only on oils, creams, and hairsprays, hoping for faster hair growth. While these products can help care for your scalp and reduce hair breakage, healthy hair also depends on what you feed your body inside too. So please be intentional about it. So guys, while taking good care of our hair externally or topically, you also watch what you eat if you want a faster hair growth. It is very, very important to put that into consideration as well. Our hair is made mainly of a protein called keratin. That's why eating enough protein every day is so important. Foods like egg, fish, chicken, beans, lentils, milk, yogurt, soya beans, and lean meat provide the amino acids your body uses to make keratin. Your body also needs vitamins and minerals such as iron, zinc, vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin A, E, and vitamin B to support normal hair growth and maintain a healthier scalp. If you think you may have a deficiency, it's best to speak with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements as regards to this food. So guys, after combining everything, I will cover it up and I'll head over to the stove to cook for 20 minutes, just like I explained before. And yeah, after cooking, this is what I have. By this time, I've left it for some hours to properly infuse so we can get all the benefit from the herbs and create a high potent spray.
For my babe, I don't even care if we stay home. We're about to do this on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm.
So I'm going to introduce my rosemary essential oil, 5 drops of it, to our spray. This rosemary essential oil is highly beneficial because it will help to stimulate hair growth as well. So at each application, make sure you shake it very well. You know, oil and water does not mix together. So for you to get all the benefits, for each application, make sure you are shaking it before you spray. Okay? So I'm going to can it into my different can, 200 ml, 100 ml, and we'll end up to get 500 ml worth of spray. So this is the amount of spray I was able to get. The remaining one, I'll also pour it into my 100 ml spray bottle. So if you are making this for personal use and you are not adding a cosmetic preservative, keep it in the refrigerator and use it within 3 to 5 days. If you want a longer shelf life, use a suitable preservative according to the manufacturer's instructions. So guys, to use this spray, just spray it directly onto your scalp as you see me do and lightly over your hair. Massage your scalp gently for 2 to 3 minutes. You can use it once a day or several times each week. This is very safe. You can use it severally, you know. You need to always moisturize your scalp. Don't allow your scalp to be dry. Do you understand? So whether you're on a protective style, just spray this on your scalp. Whatever hair you have on, spray it daily on your scalp. So after massaging your scalp, the next thing you'll do is to apply your hair growth oil to seal the moisture. Do you understand? So always when you apply it, make sure you are sealing it. You can use your hair growth oil or you use your hair growth butter. Any of them is okay. So guys, this spray can help keep the scalp refreshed, add light moisture, and may reduce hair breakage over time. Reducing hair breakage can help you retain your hair naturally. Do you understand? So remember, beautiful hair isn't created by one product alone. Healthy hair comes from consistent hair care, eating enough protein, getting essential vitamins and minerals, staying hydrated, sleeping well, and being patient with the process. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another natural hair care recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed and take care of your hair. Bye.
Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. 'Cause paradise is wherever we make it.